Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create QR code contact information in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to make contact details QR code for free, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful video. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To create a QR code for contact information for free, first of all, open the Contact QR Code Generator tool in your browser. I have added the link in description box. You can click and open from there. Once the tool is open, you will see the Personal Details section. Now, enter your first name and last name in the required fields. Next, add your phone number and email address so people can easily contact you. Under the Company and Website section, enter your company name, job title, and website URL if needed. If you want, you can also fill in your address details, including street address, city, zip or postal code, and country. Once your contact information is added, scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here, you can add custom text below the QR code, such as scan to save contact. Now, choose your preferred QR code color and background color if needed. If you want, you can also upload a profile picture or business logo to display in the center of the QR code. Once everything is set, click on the Generate Contact QR button. A live preview of your contact QR code will appear on the screen. Now, choose your preferred download format, such as PNG. Select the QR code size you want to download. Lastly, click on the Download QR button to save it to your device. Your contact QR code is ready, and anyone can scan it to instantly save your contact information to their device.